Hi, I'm Jose Salinas, and this is the Ableton Live certification tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. First of all, we are going to set up our sound card and controller. In this case, we got the Fast Track Ultra sound card from M Audio and the APC40 controller. Let's begin creating an audio track pressing Ctrl and Command plus T. A new audio track is created, so we have the option to whether import an audio or record it from an input source. In this case, we will see how to record, for example, a bass line. We set up the record button and set up our input signal level, and then we press the record button and you are ready to record. Now we got this bass line. To quantize, we press Ctrl plus U. Our audio track is now quantized. But I would like to write another bass line, but using this time another tool, the Simpler. We go to the second index in our browser right here in our left side, and then we choose the instrument options and click on Simpler. This device works like a sampler, but much more simpler. Now we select just one note stroke from the bass line, selecting the area of the clip we are interested on. Press Ctrl plus L for loop, and then click Alternate button and select Crop Clip from the menu. Our initial clip is now trimmed and represents a smaller piece in time. Now we load this clip into the Simpler located on the MIDI track. Now, if you press the record button on the MIDI track, we can listen to the sound of the clip pitched as desired. Then we write MIDI the notes of the bass. Now we're going to open a drum rack. We are gonna load a snare and a bass drum in every cell of the drum rack. Now we're gonna use the drum mode by clicking on the desired note to sequence our bass drum and snare, and then the hi-hat. Now we play all the clips in a row. Now we're going to add a few chords. We're going to open the instrument and we choose the keys old school MK2. Now we're gonna write a few notes with our controller. Now we're going to change the edit launch tempo to 115 BPMs, for example. Now we can go from a tempo to another. Now we need a main voice. We're going to load a cappella file into a new track. We quantize it and make sure that start on the point 1. And fit with the sample pitch or transposition if needed. In this case, the key of the voice fits great with the background sounds. Once it's on tune, we select a small part of the sample. Now we put it into the Simpler right here, And now we can map the voice, the same thing we did with the bass, but now with the voice.
To disappear. No one else can trace my tracks around here.
Now we're going to combine our clips and make a little sequence out of the clips. Now we're going to record the sequence. Now we're going to export, going to File, Export Audio Video. And that's it. Now you have your song.
To disappear. No one else can trace my tracks around here. I ride my waves to disappear.
This was like a test drive for Ableton Live, and I hope you enjoy it. And maybe you find out why it's the best platform of the world.